Welcome to LSP School. At LSP, we believe a truly meaningful education begins with care, confidence, and a strong sense of community. Every single child's journey with us is well thought through from the very beginning. And for many families, that journey starts with learning about our admissions process and planning ahead for availability. To share more about our school's vision, including the admissions process and our waiting list, it is my honour to introduce our Executive Director, Kunjob Gitiprapa Jiwa Santigan.
Hello, my name is Job Jiwa Santigan. I am an Executive Director at Learn Satit Patana School and Learn Corporation. On behalf of the entire LSP School and the management team, I would like to sincerely thank all the parents for the trust that you have given us. Over the past years, we have witnessed the overwhelming number of applications to our school and also the number of those who are interested in joining the schools from the increasing number of waiting lists. This is actually far beyond what we had anticipated. We sincerely thank all the parents for this. More importantly, this year is very special because LSP offers the programs across all levels, starting from early years, kindergarten, primary school, and secondary school. We are truly grateful for the support that we have received from the families, from the interested students, and we look forward to welcoming you all this coming academic year. For the admission system in the upcoming academic year, we actually operate on the rolling admission systems. We give priorities to our current LSP students as well as those who are staying on the waiting list. The priority and the seats will be given to those from these two pools. Therefore, we highly encourage all the students and families who are not currently our students to get on the waiting list to stay informed about our updates of the admission cycle. Once you actually register your interest on our waiting list program, you will be provided with the LSP ID number. It is a very unique number assigned to your family so that you can use that number to participate in all the programs that we have designed for you. This is to ensure that the school selection process runs smoothly as much as possible. Our waiting list process is not just about the long line or the waiting without any process. It is actually well designed by our staff members, teachers, and the other faculty members to make it meaningful and purposeful for the students. It is designed so that students and parents will get to know more about how we conduct classes, the philosophy of the schools, and also to have the exposure of the programs that are offered by Learn Corporation. This also includes the programs like trial classes, parent workshops, the sessions, the insightful sessions about the admissions programs. We do realize that it is extremely important for the families to really get to know the schools, to really see if it's a good fit and match for the students. So we actually designed the process so that families would get to know about our resources, the programs, and the school philosophy through the workshop, the trial experiences, the trial class experience, and the open house sessions. This is actually all done by the business units across Learn Corporation, including Code Genius, APPA, and EduSmith. It is extremely important, and I highly recommend all the families to get to know our school by starting registering your interest onto our waiting list programs so that you can be part of this journey as soon as you can. Please visit our website, worldwideweb.lsp.ac.th. Once again, thank you for your interest. I'm sincerely grateful for all your support and your interest in our program. We look forward to welcoming you to our school campus.